Alrighty guys, we're gonna go pick up a car that's been up on top of this mountain for a couple years now. I basically heard that this guy, whatchamacallit, steering went out. So then he called his wife and he left it there and it's been sitting there for like, I think 4 years now. I did some researching about it, because I was up here for a couple days ago. I just want to make sure it's okay for me to come pick it up, you know. But I'll get it to y'all when we get there. Alright, we're starting up the mountain. It's on. Hopefully old Betty can make it. Make it go there it is. Look at this thing. That's where it's back there. I guess she's been sitting for a while. Buried down tree. Last minute. This thing's buried. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, I think it's fine. Oh, yep. There's a broken steering right there. Looks like it's, I forget what it's called. But, I'll get to y'all when it's on the trailer. Alright guys, we got on the trailer. It took me a little bit. I had to reposition the trailer. As y'all can see, I basically used the tow truck, pulled the front end over here, then back to the trailer, started using that winch, and then pulled over on this side to start pulling on the rear. I'm surprised there's no marks from it, but yeah. I'm gonna take it to the shop. I'll see y'all. Alright, we're up to the shop. This is what it looks like underneath the light. Let's get some good tires on her. Let's find some. Yeah, that's pretty good, honestly. Get some rims. That's nice. Gearbox maybe? Nah, no gearbox. I'm gonna go sand this down. I'll get to y'all after when I'm done. Alright, we just got done sanding it down. We're gonna paint it like black, I think. But it's it. Glossy, yeah, glossy. Yeah, I think that looks good. Maybe change the rims. See how this looks. Alright, we made it into a dolly. We're gonna make these wheels chrome. Nah, let's not the chrome. Make them this color. Diesel. Check the exhaust got ripped off. Put a bed stack in this maybe. Yeah. Headlights, white, pair pack, put one of these and then just put one of these and then exhaust. Mirror. Boom. the spawn mobs. Deal with a little quicker. Back. Oh yeah. And then extra Y? Why is it squatting like that? Think that looks good. Let's go test it. Get y'all when we're out. Right. As y'all can see, I got out here in this truck. And now I'm at Call of Duty's parking lot. But this truck, we're gonna go test drive it. We're gonna go fix it. Stop where I found it. Oh gosh. Guess how bad that is. Oh, what? It's not even bad at all. I guess that new bumper I installed pretty good. Alright, we're here at the trail. Take it up. This is where I found it. So here it looks now. But if y'all like this video and you want to see more of content like this, drop a like and subscribe and comment down below if you like it. I'll see y'all in the next one.